Okay, well here we see a fairly conventional typewriter case, circa early to mid 1950s. Beautiful condition, looks almost new. It was made by Underwood, and the design was by a man called William John Wade from Toledo in Ohio. The notable thing about it is it has two clasps, one here and one here. So first we'll open this lid, and you see here a nice little Underwood portable typewriter, which we'll now take out and put away here so that we can demonstrate what this case is all about. Okay, so we close this lid and turn the whole thing over and open the other clasp here. And there you see the stand, which is a very, very clever design and very, very useful and practical. We clip these legs into place like so, make sure that they're all holding and locked, and then turn the entire thing over like this so that we can put the typewriter on this little desk here. Okay, so obviously it doesn't sit on this surface. This surface is for your paper or whatever, your notes, your notepad, and you can see how effective this is. The typewriter goes back into the base of the case, and away you go typing